Everyone talks about Claude being powerful, but can it actually make you money? The answer is yes, but only if you know the exact workflows that work. Today, I'm sharing 5 Claude workflows that people are using right now to generate real income. I'll give you the exact prompts, the step-by-step process, and real examples so you can start immediately. Let's get into it. This is the easiest way to start making money with Claude immediately. Businesses create content, but they don't have time to turn one piece into 10 different formats. Here's the exact workflow. Take a client's long-form content, a blog post, a video transcript, a podcast episode. Feed it to Claude with this prompt. I need to repurpose this content into 10 different formats for social media distribution. Create 3 LinkedIn posts, 3 Twitter threads, 2 Instagram captions with hooks, and 2 email newsletter sections. Match the original tone and include the key insights in each format. One piece of content becomes 10 pieces of content in 5 minutes. Charge $200 to $500 per repurposing package. Do 5 packages a month, and you're looking at $1,000 to $2,500 in monthly recurring revenue. The best part? This scales. Once you prove the system works with one client, every business wants it. Businesses know email marketing works, but writing effective email sequences is hard. Claude fixes that problem completely. Here's the workflow. Get the client's product details, target audience, and goals. Then use this prompt structure. Create a 7-email welcome sequence for targeting. Include Email 1, Welcome plus social proof. Email 2, Problem identification. Email 3, Solution introduction. Email 4, Case study. Email 5, Objection handling. Email 6, Urgency creation. Email 7, Final call to action. Write compelling subject lines for each email and include specific CTAs. Claude writes the entire sequence in one session. You review, customize with client-specific details, and deliver. Charge $800 to $2,000 per email sequence depending on complexity. Email marketing agencies charge $5,000 to $15,000 for this same work. You can undercut them significantly and still make excellent money because Claude does the heavy lifting. Workflow number 3. Course Creation Assistant. Online education is a massive market. People want to create courses, but get stuck on curriculum structure and content development. Here's how to use Claude as a course creation partner. Start with this prompt. I want to create an online course about create a detailed course outline with 8 modules. For each module, include learning objectives, key topics to cover, practical exercises, and assessment methods. Then, write the first module's complete content, including lesson scripts. Claude creates the entire course structure and starts writing content immediately. You can charge $1,500 to $5,000 per course creation project. The real money is in the ongoing relationship. Once you've created their first course, clients come back for course number 2, 3, and 4. Workflow number 4. Proposal and contract writing. Freelancers and consultants spend hours writing proposals. Most of them are terrible at it, which means they lose deals they should win. Create a proposal writing service using this Claude workflow. Gather the project requirements, client information, and scope. Use this prompt. Write a professional proposal for targeting. Include executive summary, problem identification, proposed solution, timeline with milestones, detailed pricing with explanations, team qualifications, success metrics, and next steps. Use persuasive language that focuses on client benefits and ROI. Claude writes proposals that sound like they came from a $500 per hour consultant. Charge $200 to $800 per proposal. The genius move is offering this as a subscription service, $297 per month for unlimited proposal writing. Target consultants, agencies, and service providers who write proposals regularly. Workflow number 5. Technical documentation. Software companies and SaaS businesses need documentation, but technical writers are expensive and hard to find. Position yourself as a technical documentation specialist powered by Claude. Here's the workflow. Get access to their software or detailed product information. Use this prompt structure. Create comprehensive user documentation for include quick start guide, feature overview with screenshots, descriptions, step-by-step tutorials for common use cases, troubleshooting section with solutions, FAQ addressing user pain points, and API documentation if applicable. Write for non-technical users with clear examples. Technical documentation projects range from $2,000 to $10,000 depending on complexity. The best clients are growing SaaS companies that need documentation but don't want to hire full-time technical writers. Notice what all these workflows have in common. They solve real business problems, they deliver measurable value, and they use Claude's strengths: writing, structure, and consistency. The key is positioning yourself as the solution provider, not the AI user. Clients don't care that you use Claude. They care that you solve their problem faster and better than anyone else. Pick one workflow from this list. The Content Repurposing Agency is the easiest starting point because every business creates content. Find 3 potential clients. Reach out with a simple offer. I'll repurpose your best piece of content into 10 social media posts for free. If you like the results, we can discuss ongoing partnership. Do the work, prove the value, turn the free trial into paid recurring work. That's how you go from Claude user to Claude-powered business owner. Start with one workflow. Perfect the system. Scale from there. And if you want to see more real-world Claude workflows that generate income, hit subscribe, and I'll keep sharing the strategies that actually work.